What's going on, everybody? Good morning. ProTrader Mike. My dogs are barking because they hear a leaf blowing outside. Something ruffled the gate, and they're freaking, as they always do. So let me yell at them. Hey, dog. Bad dogs. Anyway, did really well this morning with the trading. I want to show you some pretty amazing with the futures. You know, I've traded stocks for 30 years. But nothing is like the futures. And when you have a system that's based on positive expectancy that really works and you know your levels, it's price-based action back and forth. That's very rewardable. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Head on over to the MOJO day trading room first. Here's the room. This is my last trade right here. I'm still in this one right here. I got one left. Printed that wick at 18,343 short. I only short the NASDAQ. There's another good trade right here for the mini Heinz 50. Did a clip right here in the MOJO room, recorded that one. $1,000 trade on 16 right there. That was nice. Went through 1049, where it's at right now, 1050. Took some nice profits on that one. And that's how I started my day today. 16, 23, 25, 26,500 right there. I think I got more. That was early. That was a nice. I was at 730, so now it's 9. I should be a lot higher than that. But I've only been trading one account, and I've made 6 spend on it, so I am a lot higher. Let's check it out. Head on over to the main screen. This is what we got going on for the day. I passed this eval at 15,875. I passed that eval with 7,780. I'm going to pass this one very shortly, and the rest are all PA accounts that I'm already done for the day. So that's what we do. That's how we do it. And I got a couple more down below after I'm done with this eval and get to 25,000, which I am pretty close to. We will nail it away. So it's 9 in the morning and I've already made a ton of cash. And I'm already done trading on my other firm accounts as well. Yeah, the futures class registered for tonight is going to be put off a week. Someone's messaging me. I don't even know their name. So yeah, the course is going to be put off for a week, and in the meantime, you can watch the old course for this week. And I'm going to do a meeting right now. What is this? This is not what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. My little calendar. And yeah, ready to go with that. Hey, good morning, Kevin. How you doing? GM in the chat in the room. What's up, Wasserman? Hope you had a nice weekend. Little 1051 now on SQQ, moving higher. I'm going to add into this position. Definitely on the dip. 34. Let's go 36. Last night I was trading it at 83,318. It made a run towards, which is like 54. And I've already traded the low many times this morning. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Got some other really good things going on I'll be sharing with you all, so stay tuned. Some other good opportunities for everyone that's making money. Here we go, 1049. Come on down a little bit, no problem with you. We got 40 right there. I'll put one right there. You're just playing it around, back and forth, back and forth. Well, here we go. He answered me. Oh, great. In the meantime, done. So what I'm doing is I'm having everybody watch the last course that I did before the new course. Look, I'm already up 235 on that last trade. Took one of them, put the other one back up here. Let's see, I'll show you, I think it's this one. This is what you get. Let me see if I have the code for it before I put it up. We don't want that. That's not it. Here it is. It's right here. So today on this show, I'm going to do this special right here. This is for, it's 1997. The course is next week. Let me see if I have this now. Whoops. Can't put rhythmic besides the Google thing because I press that all the time by mistake. All right, here it is. Does it include that? 49. Yes, it does. Haha, great. So here's what you get. Oh, 1051. I could show you a couple slides. Time is it 9:21? Show you a couple slides. Let that baby run. All right, guys, check it out. What's going on, Imelda? This is for you. This is for you, Johnny D. So this class is next week, and I've included my old course in there, so you can watch that before this course, and you'll start your own day trading business. I have 2,653 testimonials in MOJO University for the people that have already watched my course. I have never had a question. Usually you have so many questions from people that take your course. It's 5 days for 7 hours. You won't have one question. You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. It's the most incredible opportunity of my lifetime that I've ever seen to take control of your financial future. Where in this world can you start a business for a few $1,000s that could make you a millionaire in a year? You heard me right. A millionaire in just a year. Let's dive right in. I'll show you. In 1 month, Apex Trading, this trader with 14 accounts, in 1 month, his payout was 1.13 million in a month. It's really exciting. Let's do some math. The goal is to have an account and make $500 in a day. You have 20 accounts, that's 1,020 times 20 days, that's $1,000 a month. Times 12 months, that's $12,000 a year. But here's the plan. 5 accounts at $200 a day is $1,000. Times 20 days is $20,000 a month. Times 12 months is $240,000 a year. If you have 10 accounts, $200 a day is $2,000. Times 20 accounts is $40,000 a month. Times 12 months is $520,000 a year. Let's go to 5 accounts at $500 a day is $600,000 a year. Let's go 10 accounts at $500 a day is 1.2 million per year. Here's a nice goal. 20 accounts at 500 a day is $2.4 million for the year. That is a business. That business only takes a few $1,000s to set up. So I'm giving away $10,000 if you stay with me to the end. We'll do some live trading together. Plus, I'll show you 9 amazing bonuses worth over $10,000 that you can get today. Okay? Take some notes because you're definitely going to want to take some notes on this baby. Let's go. Take some notes. Take some notes, okay? What it's all about is the biggest trading opportunity I've ever seen in my lifetime. It is giving you a massive head start and an advantage, okay? You learn what's working for myself and the other traders. You're going to get personally coached with trading reviews from me, and you're going to be part of an incredible community of Mojo traders, okay? Without having to spend months and a ton of money trying to figure it out for yourself. Without learning from an expensive coach trader that won't make you a priority or wasting your time on YouTube or forums trying to stay up to date. That's garbage over. Doing it alone, I don't do. I teach. I do it. I'm with you. I trade right now. Markets open in 5 minutes. I've spent millions of my own money fucking up to try to get to this point. I'll help you save some dollarinis of your hard-earned money so you don't have to be an ATM machine to the prop firms. Save some time, some money, and start getting paid. Let's go. Okay, let's do it. You know, the average American worker like yourself makes peanuts, 55K a year or $232 a day. Let's make $200 a day on 20 accounts, shall we? So how do you get ahead is I give you a $50,000 trading account with Apex right there. That's to start off the bundle. I coach 10 people. That's what I'm doing. I'm giving you my coaching and 1 month of my year for coaching. I'm a mentor, coach, and a trader, and my coaching is priceless. Everything is done through my calendar, all your questions, all your answers, and all your help. I do 3 coaching sessions for $597 included in the $10,000 bundle, and it's $1997. If you're certain that you could make money with me over the course of this year and build this business, you'll pay the $1997 because you'll make $1 million. That's the goal. You get the Dosh Trader 2-week trial right there. And I give you my screen share in the room, which I'm doing right now, for $1,800, which I pay per year for that Dosh Trader. And I share my layout with you, which is priceless, all given to you in the toolbox. The toolbox is included also for $297. I throw that into the bundle. And it works for pretty much everybody, new traders, advanced traders, working people. Like I said, I've already made 15K, 20K by 9:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. Let's go. It's for anyone who breathes and has a bank account, wants to make money and do better for themselves. And you don't got to worry about having $25,000 for the stupid PDT rule, because my MOJO University live course will teach you everything you need to know, and it doesn't apply to futures trading. There you go. What is futures? Prop firm trading. They give you capital to trade. You're not responsible for losses. You pick your account size from 50 to 300,000. Multiple accounts are allowed. It's a multi-million-dollar a year business for a couple of K. And I'll give you my casino analogy. Let me just check out the market, see where SQQ is. It's 51 by 52. I still have that runner right there. Still up 294. What I'm going to do, put a stop in right here at like $100 and just leave it. Let that baby run. Let that baby run. Let's go. So I'm pretty much done for the day, guys. I'm pretty much done for the day. I've made 15K, 7K. This account right here, I'm trading's up 6K, 1K, to all the money right there, boys. That's how it's done. One account at a time, not copy trading. No way. No way, siree. No way, siree. So let's continue right here. Let me present, baby. Let me show you. Let me show you right here what we got going on. Trading live right there. It trades 23 hours a day. Most liquid market in the world. Makes stocks and options look like a joke. Fastest money I've ever seen. It's just incredible. And the course is coming up next week. MOJO University Teachable. I teach you all about the ECNs with understanding the level 2. I teach you all that. You need to know all that. I give you the understanding level 2 video just to start so you get a great refresh on what the level 2 is and hiding orders and what markets are and ECNs and all that's included in the bundle. $99 value right there, dude. I teach you the Heinz system. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. See, this is all the Heinz stuff right here. The Heinz. I teach you all this stuff. Look, huge moves using my move, huge moves using my move. So the challenge is to learn my big system with the big move that's based on positive expectancy. It's an ETF correlation between SQQ and the inverse of the NASDAQ. It's called the ladder. and my course is not the 4th to the 11th, I'm extending it to the 15th to the 19th, so you can take my old course in the meantime. Learn how to trade off the dom, don't use a chart, and learn how to follow the rules of risk management in order to get paid. Trade a $50,000 simulated account for one day, then switch to your evaluation and trade profitable and continue in step 2. And this is how you're going to line up orders on the chart and scale in and out and pick the tops of all these bars. Step 3, you're going to try to make $300 a day for 10 days, making $3 grand, leaving in 2, taking out 1,000. It's the plan. Let's go. Every 10 days, trade with me in the MOJO room. Last step, you have nothing to lose. That's the MOJO room. Let's go. I include the MOJO room. Hold on. 2 months for $298 in the bundle. The bundle's worth $10,000. You get certificates once you pass. I asked 25 past PAs with Apex, 250,000, trading 5 million just with them. Let's go. Copy trading you can do if you want. I hinder against it, but I show you what it is. Trading 20 accounts on the copy trader, people doing that. Brad making big dollars doing that. He loves that. This is my MFF account trading. I already got funded on that, up 2K, made 402 on that today. I'll show you that account. Hey, and if you're successful, just copy somebody who's already doing it and achieve the results that they are. That's how it works. Giveaway time. I'm giving away the monthly mastermind. Every 4 times a month, every week, we get together and we go through everything, trading live like I am right now with you. Unbelievable. Brad, let's go. Sign up. It's $19.97. I told you, here's the monthly mastermind. You have access to the Google Calendar every Sunday and every Friday religiously for the entire month. Will make you the greatest trader in the world. All your courses are in MOJO University, teachable.com. And I'm going to hook you up with the old masterclass. You could, Brad, watch that right now. Anamina, watch that right now. Start so you have a head start for next week. It's the most incrediblest thing. And if you watch that and you pay today, the $19.97, and you don't want to do the class, I'll give you your $19.97 back, okay? And you can watch that for free. Because I know you're committed. You've paid $19.97. You're not going to do that just to refund it so you can watch that course for free. Everything's included in the class, man. It's going to be unbelievable. You're getting this included for $49.97. I'm going to teach you live for 5 nights and 10 hours of my precious time to hook you up to become an amazing trader. That's what I'm going to do. I'll help you set up your computer, make sure you have the right specs, help you set up your monitors and everything you have, just have the right everything, because you need that in order to be a pro trader, and you need goddamn fast internet speed. Otherwise, you're in trouble. So I help you with all that. You can eventually plan on having that as an outcome goal. I want to live in a house like that and trade in that backyard. And I want to drive around town in a mean old Benz like that, or your preference. And that's the goals. And what's the process of doing it, the process goal, and the selective attention, the variance, the positive expectancy, and everything that goes along in order to get that. So you're going to get $10,749 of value. You jump on that right now. It's worth $19.97. Here's the link. You click on that. You go to the page. It's $19.97 right here. I want to go to the site. Right there. Let's see what I got. I left the studio. Let me go back to my studio. Whoops, wrong channel, Mike. There we go, I'm back. Back in. So that link right there is the 1997 right there, and you get all this, $10,749 of value. But hold on, because I'm gonna hook you up. You need more value today. You guys that are watching here today only, check this out. I'm gonna hook you up for 1997, which is 80% off, but watch. It's a great deal, but you want a better deal, right? Because you guys are my best. How about $9.97 or just $63 a month? Use the coupon code SAVE1000. Look, let me show you. So if you come over here, that link, hold on, let me just make sure I'm not my direct link. Here we go. So we come here and you put in the code, the coupon code, add coupon code, see it? Watch. See, add coupon code, save 1000, hit apply. It'll go to $9.97. Come over here, $63 a month. 6 payments, interest free of $166. So let's say you do that one. Dude, 166 and 166 is 322. If you haven't already starting to get paychecks from the firms, dude, you are freaking not watching the course, not doing the coaching, not doing the masterminds. You've completely not done anything. But if you do that, you should be getting paid thousands of dollars within 2 months, and you've only paid $166 a month for it, dude. That's the shizzle damn rizzle. So it's save 1,000, and you can get it for $9.97, and I'll see you in the course, because there is nothing better than that. And look, you want to know why there's nothing better? Look how good I am. Done. Right there. $9.97. Take your phone. Let's go. You have your credit card. I did this just for you guys. Let's go. Take your camera, put it on there. Click, boom. It opens up the page right here. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Wrong one. Give you I had the link. Here we go. Had the right link in there. Here it is again. Maybe it didn't save. No big deal. That's the webinar for it. Save. Let's try it now. I think it should work. Let's go here to here to here. It still opens the webinar jam. I don't want that. It should open this. Let me put this link in here. All right, let's try it now. I refreshed it. I didn't save it. Nope, it's fucked up. Here's the link for it. I'm going to make a new one. That's not it, dude. You're just going to watch a webinar I already gave you just now. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to add. Let's create link. This is the live futures course. It's for March 8th to the 12th. That's what it is. Yes, sir. My live futures course. Where is a good one for it? There we go. Price is $9.97 from 10,000, dude. But I cut it down for you today. Right here. Done. It added. See, I'm good. See, now you know I'm good. Because if you if you were running your own shit and dude, it would take you a long time to be able to do what I just did. That's how good I am. So now if you click it, I'm betting that it goes to the right thing. Come on, camera. I'll bet you it does. I'll give you half off the $9.97 if it doesn't. Yes, I won. It goes right to the teachable. Haha, I told you I'm good. And then you can add the coupon code, save 1,000, hit apply, and it goes to $9.97. And I have a firm on the phone. The money be falling down on my head. Let's go. Money's falling on my head and it's falling. That's where it goes. For 10 minutes, that shit's good. I'm taking it down in 10 minutes. We're at 50 by 51. Oh, look, I have SQQ up there for some reason. Oh, it went all the way to 58. I'll trade. Look, I still have this. Oh, I got stopped out. I'll trade more. Watch. It was a good fucking buy for sure. I watch how much money I make. I'll make 10. I'll do this. I'll do this account. Watch. Put the first one here. Add into it. That's $1,000 right there on those four. Add. Going 53. Add. See, told you. Look, $2,600 right here. Look, 2,600. Look. Right there. Took all of it. 2,600 right there. That's 1,400 to 2,600. Look. Oh, add. Add up top. Cover down below. Look at that. Big time money, dude. Big time. Told you. Look, I'm at 7,280 now. See? Added more. 8,000 now. See how fast the money comes? I'll show everybody how to do this in that course. You don't sign up for $1,000. It's the stupidest thing you've ever done. Complete mishap for your life that you're not going to do that this year with the extra perks and benefits of hanging out with the MOJO and the shit I got going on. OMG, man. I'm telling you, there ain't nobody better. You want to learn how to fish? Watch Patrick Weiland. You want to learn how to freaking be a pansy? Watch Tanya Trades. You want to learn how to be an ICT chartist? Watch freaking Johnny B. I mean, give me a break, dude. Nobody's comparing to nobody out there like I am, dude. Let's go. This thing's a joke. 8,500 now. 8,500. Let's go. Told you. You guys sign up for that course. Talon, your ProTrader Talon. You'll be with me forever, dude. Let me show you. Talon, here's my room. Here's my, and I'm sharing my screen live. Okay, look. Everyone's watching me on the channel right now, see? And I'm live. Let me show you the OGs. Look, main chat, OG. See these traders? There's 13 of them live and another 30 of them down below. Look. OGs, and then all right here. Look, OG, Bama, Acre, Bloom, Bo, 9 years. Bloom, 9 years. Bama, 10 years. Acre, 8 years. Bradford, 7 years. Iggy, 6 years. JC, 11 years. He's been with me 11 years. Kent is down there. Life. Mouse has been with me for 11 years. He's made $100 million with the Heinz trade. This guy, OG Mouse. And I have an interview with him right here where he did an interview. Let me show you. And he even tells you I had to kick him out of the room because he shorted against me. And I brought him back and he made $1 million in 6 months. I'll show you. Off my Heinz method. Watch. Meet Steve. I have that video. Where's my mouse video? Got the Heinz vid. Here he is. Meet ProTrader mouse. Right here. So listen to this. This is ProTrader mouse, guys, in the MOJO day trading room. Listen to this. Okay? How good this shit works. You ain't gonna believe this one. Watch this one.
Alexander Danilov.
My guest tonight is somebody I've talked about on the show, and my guest has talked about on the show for the last few weeks. He is Randy Schreiber, a.k.a. ProTrader Mouse, in the MOJO trading room. He has been very successful in so many different endeavors that he's been involved in, and somehow has managed to fight, claw, and hustle his way to becoming America's newest millionaire trader, which I think is truly remarkable, especially in today's world where you're fighting with so much more big money and bigger losses and faster moving markets. So, Randy, thank you so much for coming on tonight.
Alex, thanks for the wonderful introduction. I greatly appreciate it. So I sat back and I said, well, I've got to do something. I got into real estate. One thing would lead to another, which would lead to another, and eventually I was actually a real estate developer, building speculator, hard money lender, riding the world of happy success until 2008, where everything come to a screaming crash, unbelievable halt. But it took me a number of years to dig out from the real estate crash. And my wife sat down, slapped me upside the head, and said, you've got to do something with your life, because doing what you're doing now isn't going to cut it. So I sat there and I said, all right, I'm going to take a cash advance because all my money was still tied up in real estate, and the banks weren't lending money against real estate holdings. Went to a credit card, of which I had 4 of them, and I borrowed $20,000 cash advance off each credit card. Put that into a trading account, and with my eyes open and my brain closed, I started to day trade.
That's scary. Obviously, trading itself, for those that haven't traded before, intraday traded, it's also known as day trading, swing trading, options trading, whatever it is. Try to do it for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It's very intimidating. Now imagine the scenario that Randy just put us in, where really his whole life and his future was dependent on this move, taking the cash advance, which so many of us have never even dreamed of doing, to pursue something, to create a life that was more desirable. And Randy, I give you a lot of credit for doing that. But I would like to focus on what was going through your mind at that time. It was the fight or flight mentality. Obviously, we go back to psychology class many years ago when we were in that class.
It's not that simple. There's so many people that think they're going to quit the 9 to 5. They're going to be a day trader. They're going to go trade penny stocks, and they read this stuff in the news. You see the stuff in the internet, and they see dollar signs. The reality is, you don't need a degree. You don't need a college professor to help you. You need a good mentor. You need a good day trading room which you can jump into and watch and follow. Recently, not too long ago, I was able to be introduced to MOJO day trading. I call the room MOJ. MOJO's day trading. And what sets him apart from a lot of rooms, or even trying just to trade by yourself, is he'll call alerts. He says, I'm watching this. I'm buying this. I bought this. Now we're getting to a level we can sell this. And it's not someone like an analyst saying, go buy QIHU, which was given a stock alert by Barclay last week. Stock was at $92.50, and they gave it a $145 price target. Well, it closed Friday at $87.50. You know,
Okay.
analysts are paid to give opinions. Their opinions are generally wrong.
That's incredible because so many people do think that it's a quick, all I got to do is make 1 to 2 trades, and they heard those quote-unquote stories. That's what they are a lot of times, stories, fables, because there are very few people that did that 1-2 trades, that those biotechs that ripped quickly, went from penny stock status to pretty much like a Tesla type of story where it was almost pretty much a penny stock. It was in single digits, and all of a sudden it's a $250 name and issue, and some very few people, if any, held, mostly institutionals, but definitely not an individual trader because there's so much going on day to day with those kind of stocks. And those stories where people just made a tremendous fortune of trading 1 or 2 stocks, you can chase that forever. You'll go broke more times than you'll ever make. And that's really one of those things. That's why you have to know not just how the markets work, which are important. You have to know what suits you, which is very important, Randy, and correct me if I'm wrong there. But you also have to know that what triggers a certain emotion or a certain click, because that's what we're doing now is clicking to make the trade. What triggers you to do that? What triggers you to sit on your hands? What triggers you to sit back and go and say, I'm done for today. I'm going to go, as Mike, founder of MOJO, or MOJ, does, and he says, I'm done. Yeah, the MOJ. He quits, he shuts down the room, or he lets people hang out in there if they like, but he's gone. So I'd like for you to speak about that part in the day-to-day grind and hustle, because there is no one magic silver bullet formula that you or I can get rich tomorrow on, but over time, and you're obviously a great example of that, to be made if you do it smartly and, more importantly, slowly.
Exactly. Very well put, Alex. Kind of succinctly put, the key to successful trading would be what? ... The key to successful trading. Well, as I've learned, and now I've become keenly aware after trading with MOJO's day trading for the last 9 months, is number 1, trade with your eyes, not your brain. You're watching that stock. You got 2 eyes, you got 1 mouth. You got to watch that stock. Next is you're trading with the volume. As long as you've got the volume becomes your friend. Trade the trend, trade the volume. The moment that volume begins to dry, you're scaling out with your profits. Because at the end of the day, or as I've found, and I've been forcing myself to break my German work ethic, been forcing myself to do one thing, and that is, if you make a profit, you can't go broke. The Moj is very good at that. He makes his money, guys, I'm shutting the room down. What's he saying? If you make a profit, you can't go broke. If you continue to trade, you continue to risk. If you continue to risk, now you might lose your profits. Don't do that. And he's taught that in MOJO University, which I paid for. I think it's the only thing I've ever paid for when it comes to stock stuff or stock related over the last 4 years. I paid for MOJO University, and knock on wood, it's paid huge dividends.
Mm-hmm. Well, I mentioned the tremendous success that you've had, and once again, I am speaking with Randy Schreiber, who is America's newest millionaire trader.
See, guys, this is him right here. He made $1 million on August 8th of 2014. 10 years ago, he was 72,000 away. See that? Right here. He's been with Mike for 8 weeks, traded 7 of those 8 weeks, and made 143,000. First, I'm a small trader, made 20,000 today with MOJO. Yo, this is 10 years ago. Yo, this guy paid $2,000, never paid for nothing in his life ever. I've been doing this for a long time, dudes. Telling you.
And education and experience He has been very successful doing a lot of other things, so he's been able to accumulate wealth, but more
Grab your phone,
importantly,
save
he's
1,000
able
is the
to
code.
accumulate understanding, knowledge, and education and experience, which he was able to roll into or parlay into what's becoming a very successful and obviously a bright trading career.
Yeah, in the room, one thing that Moj has done, and he does it brilliantly, and I apologize if I'm interrupting you, Alex.
See, I'm
he does it brilliantly, better than any room that I've ever sat in or watched or listened to, and that is he plays this term called a magic number. Magic number is a stock might be approaching a whole number, $8 a share, $9 a share,
$100 million
$55 a share. And he sees that, and in our journals we've written down, 1,000,000 times that this stock, when it goes up to that level, 9 times out of 10, it's going to go through it. And we trade through the magic numbers many times.
Yes,
and if a trader, a learning and aspiring to be trader, does scans and looks for stocks that are at, 795, and they scale into that to break the magic number of 8, and then they're finishing scaling out at 807, and he does that 3 times a day. At the end of the year, he'll be making $150,000, $200,000 a year just by doing one simple type of trade. And the best thing that Mojo's room does is really identifies those trades and maximizes those trades like no other room I've ever witnessed.
Yeah, and that's actually another thing that I started figuring out towards the end. When stocks reach round numbers, if there's a little bit of momentum behind it, it'll push through or it will burst very quickly. It's one of those. What's the difference between $39.99 or $40.01 for a stock? It means nothing. It's a 2-cent difference, but psychologically,
look, it's
just
at
like the
18,300. See the Nasdaq? It's right at the whole number. It's right at the round number. This is where I was trading it up to last night and so forth. See, it's right at 18.3, right at the whole number, and that equivalent is 1050 and change.
The S&P that we hit last week, and we're trying to hit a few weeks back, and everybody's going crazy over it, and all of 2000.
Heading into a high.
A lot of times when the stock hits that number, especially if it's an index, you see a retracement, meaning that it'll come down a little bit because psychologically people don't think they're ready for it. It's like when you get in, you start driving for the first time, you see yourself doing 60 on the highway. You're supposed to do 60.
1997,
you see that like, oh, whoa, hold on, let me slow down a little bit.
Ago.
Then you go to 57, 58, 59. Bam, you're at 65, and you start hitting 70.
Limited to 40 students per class. Live interactive class. See that? And I want to get a bigger class this time. That's why I put it off. Next, see that Tuesday, 8 p.m. I've been doing this shit for 10 years, man. 10 years.
A lot of times when the stock hits that number, especially if it's an index, you see a retracement, meaning that it'll come down a little bit because psychologically people don't think they're ready for it. It's like when you get in, you start driving for the first time, you see yourself doing 60 on the highway. You're supposed to do 60, but you see that like, oh, whoa, hold on, let me slow down a little bit. Then you go to 57, 58, 59. Bam, you're at 65. Then you start hitting 70, 80. We all know that feeling. It's just something we have because we have to learn it. But that is a very important move called the magic number. There's also what Mike calls it as the Heinz play. And you mentioned Mojo University before. Mojo University is actually starting tomorrow night for people. They can find out from MOJOdaytrading.com. I have a link from my site, solutionsology.com. They can find out more about that if they so wish, and I hope they do because there's so many people that have made great money doing it because they follow the system that works. And
system
again,
that works.
I'm not trying to make it sound like an infomercial, but I've made on it. I've watched it. I know my audience trusts me. So I've actually gone in there. I've risked my own capital following.
See, guys,
Mike,
I'm telling
and there were a couple stocks I had the most money on, but only because I didn't follow when he said to get out. I felt I could make another 2-3 cents, which is my sheepishness and stupidity because I wasn't following the system that works. It's a lack of discipline. That's really what it comes down to. But If I had followed him in all those, I would have been on probably 15 or 16 straight winning streak over the last week and a half, which is very impressive. And you do it safely, and I think that's very important. But before that, before I want anyone risking their own capital in Mojo, I like for him to check out what he's all about. I like for him to learn more about investing, even if it's not through Mike and the Mojo, but I know the Mojo system works.
See that? Told you, dudes. That's the freaking Mojo way, dude. Crazy, right? How good Mojo is? So crazy good, right? So crazy good. Played that nice old time video for you. Hey, and if you're not in my class, then hey, maybe next year you will be when you haven't found your way, man. Because I challenge you, whatever you're doing out there to trade, my method is better. I challenge you. My method is better than your method. And if it isn't, you show me, I give you mine for free. Been doing it for a long time. There's nothing out there, dudes. Everyone teaches charts. As long as you get taught charts and indicators, you'll buy when it's green, I'll sell into you. And when you get stopped out and it's red, I'll scale in and take your pain and buy it all. So with that said, guys, I want to thank everyone for watching the Mojo show. And yeah, so tomorrow's another day. We crushed it today. Absolutely crushed it today. Adding a little bit in the red right there above 18.3. And yeah. So let me do a a giveaway. A giveaway. Yeah, it's a QQ is going over 60 for sure. I want to add too quick, too fast though. I print 18,300 a lot right here today till it really dumps below it. Here it comes. Take that whole line right there. 56, 57 right there. Again on SQQ. Low is 49, so doubt it goes there. Let me see what the markets are doing. Down, say, down 78 in red. So let me do a Twitter, a giveaway of a lucky person today. And we'll see what we got going on. It ain't giving it to me. I'm coming out of some. It'll go the other way. 19 left, 13 left, 10 left. Here's my YouTube giveaway. People that won in the past can't win again. I don't do that. It's fair. Here it is. Boris, Talon. Boris, you've won. John, a lot of people have already won. Alex A., my teacher. We may not be able to give one away today. Let's see. Nice trade right there, that's for sure. Amina Amelda Seguri. Awesome job. Nice to meet you. Great job. Now send me an email to mojodaytrading@gmail and claim your prize. And I'll do a post right now, right here on my social media, and you can go like it and do your thing in there, so I know it's you. Nice job. So we have today's show is right here. And we have a very nice winner. We have the name of Amina Imalda Sergu. Ira R is your alternate. Ira, you alternate with Ira R. Thanks for participating. Follow and like Apex because they're the best. Apex Trader Fund. There they are. Done. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's go. Ching. Nice, Amina. Give that a like and a retweet on Twitter so I know it's you and everything, and you're all set to go. Appreciate you. Let's go. 1058 on SQQ. What am I at on my money? 9,617. I think I'll stop for the day. I did it. Look, that one's a 265, 259, and 265. I take those three right there. Would you take those three? Would you take those three? You never won, so maybe you'll win, Boris, tomorrow. Thank you for letting me know. I appreciate you for watching for sure. And so thank you guys. Everyone give me a like and appreciate you all for watching, man. Have a great. I'll send up that thing one more time for my 997 guys. Code is save 1,000. Let's go. Don't even F around how good that is going to be for your life. Telling you, man. Telling you, telling you, telling you. Let's go. So thanks for watching. Peace.
In less than a week of joining the group, I've witnessed at Chief ProTrader Mike's incredible play. Understanding the benefits of using the DOM, how he safeguards his trades, and stays profitable has been eye-opening. After observing his strategies and guidance, I've transitioned from minis to micros, just as he recommends. Scalping them and leaving runners sometimes has been game-changing. One of the greatest things about Mike is his focus on SQ2Q UVXY bid and ask size. Since day one, I haven't lost a single trade. It may sound impossible, but I've witnessed Mike's winning streak live. Once you grasp his approach, success follows. Feeling blessed to be part of this amazing